Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Vivo Y50 smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Vivo, and here you can see it has a 5000 mAh battery and it has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. It has only one internal storage variant. Okay, now quickly open the box and see what we get inside it. Okay, so here we get the small box. Let's quickly see what we get inside it. So guys, here we get some reading manuals. This is a reading manuals, warranty card, and this is the sim ejector tool. Okay, this aside, and this is the transparent TPU case. Okay, and guys, here's the font self. Here you can see it is in pearl white color. It is also available in steady black and iris blue. Okay, we come to the font later. Let's see what we get inside the box. Okay, so this is really good thing. Here we get the premium earphone. With this phone you can see we get the premium earphone, and this is the USB type C cable. Okay, this is the USB type C cable, and this is the charger. And if we talk about its output, you can see 5 volt 2 ampere. So guys, this is not a fast charger, but phone supports 15-watt fast charging, which is a really good thing. Okay, now keep this aside and come to the phone. So is the phone itself. Now quickly remove its plastic cover. Okay, so is the phone itself. Okay guys, phone looks great. You can see the phone looks great. If we talk about its design, it really looks great, and if we talk about its touch and feel, it also good. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get nothing. On this side we get volume rocker and power on off key. On bottom we get the main speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, and this is the 3.5mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the SIM tray. Okay, now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so this is really good thing. It has 3 slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card slot, which is a really good thing. And on back it has a quad rear camera setup, 13 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel with the dual LED flash. And here we get the rear mounted fingerprint sensor, and here we get the front camera on iView display. You can see this is the front camera on iView display of 16 megapixel. Okay, now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a Snapdragon 665 11nm octa-core processor. It has 6.5-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display. It has 128 GB internal storage variant. It has dual nano SIM with a dedicated micro SD card slot support. It has a quad rear camera, 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. It has 5000 mAh battery which supports 15-watt fast charging. If you talk about the software, it has Android 10 running on FunTouch OS 10, and for better security, it has a rear mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of Vivo Y50 smartphone. If we slide from top, we get the notification center, helpful quick setting, and brightness adjustment is also available there, which is a really good thing. And if we slide here, we get the smart launcher. Okay, and here we get the apps. You can see here we get apps. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. So you can see RAM and storage space. So here you can see we get 114 GB out of 128 GB, and here we get the cleanup storage space feature available. And if we go in about phone, check its software information, you can see model number, Vivo ROM, which is FullHD OS 10, and Android version is Android 10. Quickly go back. And here's the CPU real-time data. Guys, this is the octa-core CPU real-time data. You can see And if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of 1.7.2020. And you can see all information: hardware version, software version, baseband version, kernel version, and compile time. Okay, now quickly go back. Okay, now quickly check its camera performance. It has quad rear camera. Now quickly take a photo and check what camera quality we get. Okay, and in lens we get the super wide, bokeh, and super macro. So here you can see. Okay, now quickly go to settings and enable the permission. Okay, it is already allowed. Okay, now quickly go back. So you can see. Okay guys, the camera quality is good. I would like to inform you the camera quality is good. Now quickly take the another photo. The capture speed is really fast. And you can see the camera quality is good. I would like to inform you that the camera quality is good. You can see it captures natural photo without any exposure. You can see. If we talk about the color rendering, without any exposure, it captures natural color. You can see. Okay, now quickly take a photo and ultra wide camera. Here you can see this is the ultra wide camera of Vivo Y50. So here you can see. Okay guys, I would like to inform you the camera quality of this phone is good. Here you can see the camera quality of this phone is good. You can see the camera quality of this phone is good. It captures really good photo. Okay, now quickly go back and check its rear mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance. Now I've set up the rear mounted fingerprint and face unlock. Okay, so I have successfully registered the rear mounted fingerprint and face unlock. Quickly check this out. If we talk about the rear mounted fingerprint, here you can see upput the finger and it unlock. You can see upput and it unlock, upput and it unlock, upput and it unlock. Okay guys, the rear mounted fingerprint sensor is really fast and responsive. Here you can see upput and it quickly unlock. Okay, it quickly unlock the phone. You can see I put the finger and it quickly unlock the phone. Try it in another way. Upput and it unlock, put and it unlock. Okay guys, the rear mounted fingerprint is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about the face unlock performance, I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay, I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay, now phone look at me and phone quickly unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay guys, the fingerprint and face unlock performance both are really fast and responsive. Here you can see I'm not seeing, I see and it's unlocked quickly. The rear mounted fingerprint and face unlock is really very fast and responsive, no doubt. You can see it is really fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of Vivo Y50 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this phone, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.